Says, sugdi na ang imong biztalk uban si Miss Pops Fernandez.
Kumustahon nato karon mga kapuso ang atuang concert queen ug ang atuang kapuso nga naka-stay at home karon, Miss Pops Fernandez. Good morning po, Miss Pops. Welcome to GMA Regional TV Live.
Hello, good morning, Cecil. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Another bright and a wonderful day. Ayan.
Tama po kayo. It's a bright day and thank you for making it brighter po talaga with your presence this morning. Miss Pops, how do you keep yourself busy po and occupied during the quarantine? Kasi it's been more than 2 months.
Actually, noong umpisa, syempre inakala nating lahat na pansamantala lang at napakadali lang. So, na-excite ako dahil sabi ko, sandali lang yan. Then after a while, of course, it took longer. Akala ko hindi ko kakayanin kasi syempre sanay tayong magtrabaho, sanay tayong madalas nagwo-work out of our homes. But then after a while, parang mas na-appreciate ko siya. Na-realize ko na ang dami ko palang mga bagay-bagay na, I don't notice in my house. So I started doing a lot of things in the house, fixing up, organizing things. Tapos, na-discover ko yung mga hobbies ko of before. I started that again, just to pass the time. And then, of course, minsan, depende sa guest ko. Minsan, nag-IG live ako, or nag-Facebook live, or ngayon, nag-YouTube live. Aside from that, ito pa Cecil, ganito ako ka-busy Nag-gardening na rin ako. Wala akong garden, but I was able to get like they call it the veggie pod. Parang it's a big planter. It's really my first time to plant anything in my whole life. I would read it kasi and some of my friends are into it. So, nakaka-happy pala siya. When you plant yourself, iba pala yung joy na nararamdaman mo pag meron kang nakikitang maliit na sprout ng leaf. I'm so excited.
You're enjoying the quarantine life now and you've always had a very busy lifestyle. Ang dami niyo pong ginagawa sa labas and even out of the countries as well. Ano po yung naging transition niyo po and the adjustments that you had to make from being busy to now staying at home?
I think I have learned to enjoy it. Let's baka akala nila ang happy ko. We have to learn how to enjoy our quarantine life because wala po tayong choice, diba? I'd rather na we're all safe and healthy. Ngayon, wala naman po tayong choice. So let's make the most out of whatever we can do while we're staying home during the quarantine.
Isa din po sa mga ginagawa nyo ngayon, as you've mentioned earlier, yung mga vlogs na ginagawa nyo, yung online kumustahan nyo, and even collaborations with your fellow friends and fellow artists po. How has social media helped you cope up po with the quarantine?
As far as my vlogs naman, like I mentioned earlier, it started out with syempre gusto kong bigyan ng konting happiness yung mga followers ko, either through my IG or Facebook or YouTube. Pero ang nangyari, mas na-happy na rin ako. Mas na-happy na rin ako. Parang naaaliw na rin ako because nga I have a project and then the project is to bring entertainment to your home, to help sino man ang nanonood para makadulot naman tayo ng konting ngiti. Even if we're just home.
Paano po kayo mag-a-adapt po nito? Being the concert queen and you're so used to seeing your large audience, paano po yung mga adaptations na gagawin po?
I'm sure we will find ways of bringing entertainment. Maybe hindi siya live in the sense na they can actually see us in person. Maybe for now, this is what live means, no?
We'd love to hear you sing for us this morning. Kung pwede po bang mag-request, if you can sing us any song that you feel that we need to hear right now.
Tama-tama, I thought of this song because I was looking for my minus ones. And I recorded this, I don't know how many years ago. Let me just give you a sample. Sana tama yung kanta ko. if we hold on together. I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever, where clouds roll by for you and I. Ayan, nagandun lang.
Ang galing! I'm
Thank
so happy.
you.
Thank you po for making our
So-
viewers happy this morning with that song, Miss Pops.
Tama po, tama. So if we hold on together, our dreams, they will never die. So I believe that we all have to be one. Tama po yung sinabi nila, we have to heal as one.
Talking about your song earlier, holding on to your dreams. You're currently one of the judges of GMA's latest singing competition center stage. For now po, to comply po with the protocol, may online auditions po kayo for the young aspiring singers. Ano po yung maipapayo nyo po for the young ones to continue to pursue their dreams?
Just hold on to your dreams. Sometimes kasi people think na, naku, bata pa yan, mag-iibang dreams nila. It doesn't matter if it changes along the way, but the most important thing is when you're doing something, you have to be passionate about it.
Thank you po so much, Miss Pops, for joining us this morning sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Thank you very much, Cecil, at maraming salamat po again for having me here.
Thank you and see you soon! Mga kapuso, that was Miss Pops Fernandez nga mi paambit kanato sa mga kabag-uhan ug sa mga adjustments nga kinahanglan niyang himuon ubos na sa new normal. Og dugang pang kasayuran ng inyong masayran busa tutok lang dinhi si GMA Regional TV Live.